here you go. You just spray a little bit of the cleaner, whatever cleaner you like, on the sofa or upholstery in your car. Then spray some water on it. Get it wet. Get it as wet as you want. You get a little wet or you get a lot of wet. Then you scrub it in with your hands a little. Rub it in a little bit. Agitate it a little bit if it's really dirty.
Or is it breath?
It doesn't really matter.
Breath or rag?
And then go ahead and steam clean it with either hot water or the cold water. And this could be your car, upholstery, or mattress, or sofa like we're doing now. So the clean water is hooked up to this kitchen sink, and vacuum hose is hooked up to the machine. So just to show you, hooked up over there, and getting hot water out of the sink. Sometimes you might have to cover it up if it leaks. And that's all there is to it, pretty much.